Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this one we've been able to upload a website we built to GitHub. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how. Let me just close this up. We're not using this. I may make reference to that. That's my that's my business. Okay, but I'm going to show you how you can link this your GitHub, this website you uploaded to GitHub, to Netlify and host it for the purpose of continuous deployment. Now what continuous deployment means is that when you make a change to this website, right, it will be reflected on Netlify. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have a Netlify account. Okay, so if I say netlify.com, right, I'm not going to teach you how to sign up, right, but I mean, just go ahead and sign up, create an account, and then log in. So I'm just going to log in, and all right, so I'm logged in, and basically what we need to do is we need to create a site. Okay, so I'll come here, and just on the home page, like when you log in, just click on new site from Git. Okay, and we want to connect our site from GitHub. There are other options, there's GitLab and Bitbucket, but in our case we're using GitHub. So I will click on GitHub, and it will open this page and ask us to log into our GitHub account. So I'm already logged into my GitHub account, so it will show my GitHub account, and I will need to choose which repository I want to link to my GitHub account. Okay, so let me see, how did I save that landing page? Okay, so let me just find the repository. So I'll click on configure Netlify on GitHub, and I actually need to grant access to that repository. So let me just log in and click on confirm. Okay, ouch, this is looking more complex than what I actually wanted to do. So let me just take a pause. And all right, so basically what you need to do is just scroll down right to the bottom, and here you need to specify a repository that you want Netlify to have access to. So I'm just going to select this, and I'm going to search for landing page. Okay, so you see landing page here. I'll select it, right, and I'll click on save. What this will do is that it will grant Netlify access to that repository. So Netlify does not have access to all of your repository, even though you log in your GitHub account. Okay, you still need to give it access. So we've given it access to this landing page repository. Now we can then select the landing page repository, right? And of course, branch to deploy is set to master. It's just one branch we have anyway. Okay, I think we have two branch. It's one master branch. So you just need to scroll down and click on deploy site. There's no need to go to the advanced settings, right? Just click on deploy site. Okay, and it's as simple as that. Now I'm going to say that Netlify actually gives you other options. Like you can actually set up a custom domain. You can add an SSL certificate. I'm not going to cover that in this tutorial. I just want to show you how to deploy. So now we've deployed, right? Go ahead and click on site. Okay, so the deployment is complete. Now this is the link that was automatically generated for you. I'm going to right click and open in a new tab, and voila, you see responsive landing page, and this is the website we built. It's hosted live on Netlify. So let me just scroll down, let's see. So you see that it actually works smooth. Okay, wow, this is beautiful. So at this point you can have a website that is hosted on Netlify, but that's not what we want to stop. Like look at this link, Frosty Kirch. It's not fine at all. So let's come here and let's go to site settings, and we're going to modify that link to something nice. So let me scroll down somewhere here, just a minute. Let me locate where that setting is. Okay, so change site name. Okay, so this is going to be like the prefix to the no, it's not. In English language it's called prefix. In tech it's called a subdomain. So this is going to be like the subdomain name. Okay, so I'm going to say landing page hyphen page .netlify. This looks like something that would have already been taken. Okay, but let me click on save and Netlify. So this, oh yeah, that name is already taken. So I'll say landing page. Okay, maybe I'll just say Xenotrust landing page or landing page Z landing pages. Okay, and I'll save that and hopefully it's not okay. So fantastic. So it's not taken. So now I've changed our subdomain name. So if you look here, you see that it's now landing pages.netlify app and our website loads. So it's as simple as that for you to host your website on Netlify. And let's do something. So creating landing pages that scale. Let me show you how you can update your website. That's one of the most important things you need to do. So if I come to the website here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a very simple change. Let me minimize this. I'm just going to say creating landing pages that, okay, I'm just going to add exclamation mark to the scale. So I'll come here and where is it? Creating, okay, so let's add an exclamation mark here, or let's just add 2 or 3 and save. Okay, and I'll minimize this. Let's come to our GitHub. If you come to your GitHub and you say git status, you'll see that it has already discovered that you modified index.html, right? Okay, so what we are going to do is, first off, we need to say git add. Okay, and if I add a dot, it will actually add it, but I want to show you another concept called express commit. Okay, so I'll say git add dash am. Okay, then I'll then specify the name of the commit. Okay, I'll then say second commit. Nobody does second commit, it's first commit, and the next commit should be what you did. So let me say updated the home page, updated index page, and I'll hit enter. Okay, so if I do git status, my my command did not work and I can't figure out why. Okay, let me not waste time. I'll say git add all and it will add it. Then I'll do git status. Okay, then dash message. Then I'll then say, instead of all these things I'm doing, right, I can just do like this and get the last 2 commits. Okay, and I'll just change this to message and I'll say git commit. Oh, not git add, it should have been git commit. Let me show you what I mean. It should have been git commit then am. Sometimes we forget these things, like, not like I forgot. Okay, so if I hit enter, it will make a commit, it will add and make a commit. Okay, all right, so now what we'll do next is, right, we need to push that change. So this change has been effected on our local repository. We need to push it to GitHub. So the way you do that is you say git push, and you remember you want to push upstream. So upstream means you are pushing to the remote repository, which is GitHub. So if I say git push dash u, and I'll then set the origin to master, and I'll hit enter, what will happen is that it will take that change you've done and push it to GitHub. So you see it's uploading exactly. So GitHub would in turn, so let me refresh. So GitHub would in turn push that change or deploy that change to Netlify. So if you look at the index.html, you see here that it now says updated index page. So that's where you made the change, and you made it a minute ago. So if you come to our Netlify site, okay, this is the previous link. All right, so what did I just close? I think I closed reopen close tab. Oh, I closed the main link. Okay, so now let me refresh this page, and you see here that we now have our 3 exclamation mark. So that's how you can update your website you have uploaded to GitHub and that is serving to Netlify. Okay, so you see that it's that simple. All right, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you see that I'm creating content that is good. Please go to YouTube and subscribe to the channel, and I will do my best to create amazing content for you. All right, see you later. See you in another tutorial.